Hi guys! Today we are going to work on the pronunciation of 4 words. Pirate, private, parrot, and pilot. Okay? So, pirate is like the person that has the eye patch and says, "Arr, matey," and he's on a ship and looks for treasure. That's a pirate. Okay? Private is maybe you have a secret that you keep private. You don't tell anybody. Okay? Like the code to your phone or the code to your bank account, you keep private. Okay? That's private. Parrot is the bird. I think they can talk. A parrot. I think a parrot can talk. And then a pilot. A pilot is someone who drives a plane or flies a plane. Technically, they fly a plane, but they can also drive a plane. But that's a pilot. Okay, so we have pirate, private, parrot, and pilot. Okay, private, no. Pirate, private, parrot, pilot. Okay? Those are very similar. To me, they're very different, but they do sound very similar. I can see that. So, thanks again for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my videos so you'll be notified every time I have a new video, and be sure to share this with your friends as well. Thank you. Have a good day, guys. Bye.